Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows 10 build and disable conflicting tools. Once done, open Settings and go to Personalization, then Colors. You'll toggle Basic Transparency there first so the OS applies compositing correctly. This prevents glitches when deeper tweaks follow. Make sure you've backed up any custom theme or saved layout because you will adjust system UI behavior. Start now with the Colors pane, enable transparency effects, and keep the window open for the next steps. Now you'll go deeper. If you want stronger transparency than Settings offers, edit the registry keys that control taskbar composition or use a lightweight utility like Translucent TB. You will open Regedit carefully and use OLED taskbar transparency from 0 to 1, then set an appropriate accent color menu if needed. These steps increase opacity control. Once edits are made, restart Explorer or sign out and back so Windows reloads the shell. Make sure to run any finish by fine-tuning opacity and blur inside the utility or via additional registry tweaks. Lock your taskbar once satisfied to prevent accidental moves. If something goes wrong, artifacts, no transparency, or performance issues, revert the registry values you changed or uninstall the utility, then restart Explorer or perform a system restart. As a critical tip, create a restore point before making edits so you can roll back quickly. This is your safety net if transparency tweaks conflict with other system settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.